Come, mommy. Nene. Nene.
Look at Dada.
Nene, look at me. Nene, look at daddy.
You see Dada?
Hi, my name's Becca.
Hi, I'm Amy. How are you?
Good, how are you?
What is your personal philosophy of rehabilitation?
So my personal philosophy of rehabilitation.
No, Bucky. No. No. We're trying to hunt ducks. Trying to hunt ducks. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah, see, and you feel comfortable, and then you try to get off, and that's when bad things happen. I went down, but I'm fine. I went down hard.
Don't you bail now when all is said